everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're navigating the waves of cryptocurrency for the first time, or if you're a seasoned trader looking for the latest tips and tricks, you've come to the right place. Today we're tackling a question that many of you have asked in the comments. How do you convert Dogecoin to Bitcoin in Trust Wallet? It's a timely topic in 2024 as more and more people look to diversify their crypto holdings. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. Before we start, make sure you've got the Trust Wallet app installed on your device. Trust Wallet is a secure and easy to use crypto wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrency, including Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Open the Trust Wallet app. Make sure your wallet is set up. Trust Wallet doesn't directly support converting one cryptocurrency to another within the app, so we'll be using a popular feature called Swap through an integrated exchange service. Here you can tap on Swap, which you can see beside Home. Here you can choose what you want to convert. So at UNI you have to write Dogecoin, and in ETH you need to write Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to convert. The interface will automatically show you how much Bitcoin you received based on the current exchange rate. Before you proceed, always check the transaction fees and slippage tolerance. And that's how you successfully convert Dogecoin to Bitcoin in your Trust Wallet.